Hey Hannah, Dean Lanton here with Tameron Hyundai, 1 mile up from the Galleria in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. I want to thank you for your interest in the Santa Fe Sport. This is the very stock number that you asked for. It's the black outside. It's got your beige interior on the inside. And some of the things that this vehicle offers is going to be your backup camera. It's also going to have your Bluetooth and your cruise control at fingertips. You've got your downhill assistance. You've got your power seat in the driver's side. It's got a lot of equipment that the regular trim doesn't have. Here in the back, you've even got the cargo cover, so it helps with spills if you want to get something in that. You've got the net. Also comes with a first aid kit and your standardized floor mats that are nice and carpeted for you. My name's Dean. Give me a call at 205-401-5511. We'll show you some numbers. We'll let you take a test drive in this, and hopefully you'll get to drive it home tonight. Give me a call, 205-401-5511, and that's Dean. You have a great day.